Baloian Farms is a fourth-generation family-owned farm that specializes in growing premium bell peppers year-round. As a vertically integrated operation, we oversee every step, from planting and harvesting to packing, cooling, and distribution, to ensure top quality and freshness. Our bell peppers start as seedlings grown indoors. Once the seedlings establish roots, stems, and leaves, they become transplants ready for the outdoor soil. With ample sunlight, water, and care, the plants will grow and blossom. After successful pollination, flowers will develop into peppers. Once the peppers reach full size, shape, and desired ripeness, they are ready for harvesting. Freshly picked peppers are taken straight to our advanced packing shed, where they are washed, brushed, dried, and sorted. Using advanced photo optics and AI technology, we grade each pepper by size, shape, and quality, ensuring consistent excellence. We pack our retail-grade peppers using the Pam Pack brand, short for Pampered Pack, reflecting our commitment to quality and care. Each box label provides end-to-end traceability back to the fields where the produce was grown. Finally, we pre-cool peppers to preserve freshness and extend shelf life during transport, so they arrive fresh in stores and homes nationwide. At Baloian Farms, we take pride in nurturing every pepper from seed to shelf, delivering the highest quality bell peppers you can taste.